Hello students, today we will discuss about types of ions in mass spectrometry. Here in this session we discuss about what is molecular ion, what is fragment ion, what is isotopic ions, what is the peaks, what are the types of peaks in mass spectrometry, how we represent the mass spectrum. Now we will discuss about first one, molecular ion or parent ion. Ion formed by the loss of single electron at lowest ionization potential from a molecule. Another way we will define the definition of molecular ion or parent ion is organic compounds in its vapor state is bombarded with a beam of high energetic electrons with 70 electron volts. One electron is removed from the molecule to give positively charged ions known as molecular ion or parent ion. First, we have to take the sample. Here, M is a molecule. This molecule in its vapor state is bombarded with high energetic electron at 70 electron volts. We get the molecular ion or parent ion. Here we have number of organic compounds. In this, some organic compounds have sigma bond, pi bond, lone pairs, etc. Their order of ease of removal is lone pair greater than pi electrons greater than sigma electrons. We see the examples. Methane. In methane, here after bombardment, you get methane cation free radical whose mass is 16. Here ethene, here we have pi bonded electrons. These electrons lose of single electron at lowest ionization potential. After bombardment, we get ethene cation free radical whose mass should be 28. In case of methanol, after bombardment we get methanol cation free radical mass is 32. Here we discuss about molecular ion and parent ion. Molecular ion coming from the whose organic molecule in its vapor state is bombarded with a beam of high energetic electron with 70 electron volts. We get the molecular ion. Next we talk about fragment ion or daughter ion. Already you know about these are the molecular ions. So the molecular ion are highly energetic and unstable, can break up into smaller ions known as fragment ions or daughter ions. Here this is the sample. After bombardment we get the molecular ion. This molecular ion can break up into smaller ions. These are called the fragment ions. These molecular ion and these fragment ions are detected according to their M by Z values and relative abundances are determined and recorded by the mass spectrophotometer. This is about fragment ions and daughter ions. Next, isotopic ions. Already we know about isotopes. What are isotopes? Whose elements have same atomic number and different mass number. So, radical cation formed from the lighter isotope of elements is called molecular ion. But first, what happened? We get the molecular ion, where radical cation is formed from heavier isotopes of elements is called isotopic ion. These are called M+1 and M+2 ions. What are M+1? What are M+2 ions? For example, here we have to take carbon monoxide. The mass to charge ratio of carbon monoxide is 28. This is M+. Oxygen has isotopes, two isotopes. Here carbon bonded with the O17 isotope. This is the normal case. We get M value 28. In O17 isotope, the mass will be 29. This is M+1 ion, isotopic ion. Here O18 isotope, these are the heavier isotopes. These isotopes get the M/Z value 30. This is M+2 isotopic ion. Another example, bromine exists as two isotopes, bromine 79, bromine 81. Here 79 is a M, 79 is a M ion, molecular ion. 79, here bromine 81 is a +2, mass should be increases 2 units. So this is here bromine atom shows M and M+2 peaks with relative intensity of 1:1. So isotopic ionic peaks appear in mass spectrum at the right side molecular ion peak. For example, this is the representation of mass spectrum. In x-axis we have M/Z values, y-axis we have to write intensity. Already the molecular ion has some M/Z value, that is 28, but these isotopic ions has the M/Z values compared to molecular ion is more. So the mass spectrum at the right side of molecular ion peak, and these isotopic ions appears at the right side. This is the molecular ion. These isotopic ion peaks appears at the right side of the spectrum. Why? Because these molecular weights will be more compared to molecular ion.